Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the phone and your finger so the sensor gets a clean read. First, wipe the home button and your fingertip, remove any case or screen film, and update iOS if needed. Once done, restart the iPhone to clear temporary glitches. Now open Settings, go to Touch ID and Passcode, authenticate with your passcode, and tap Add a fingerprint. You're starting the enrollment process. Follow the on-screen prompts and place your finger gently on the home button. You need to teach Touch ID the full surface of your finger, so use a deliberate, varied technique. Lift and rest your finger in each prompt, change the angle and pressure, and include the pad edges as well as the center. Rotate your finger slowly between touches so the system captures different contact areas. Once the initial scan finishes, consider adding the same finger as a second fingerprint to fill gaps. Make sure your finger is dry and steady. Small motions improve the quality of reads. You finish by testing everything. Unlock the phone, authorize an Apple Pay payment, and open apps that use Touch ID. If recognition still falters, go back to Settings and delete old fingerprints, then re-enroll with careful placement. Make sure Touch ID features are enabled for the actions you want. If you still get unreliable reads after trying these steps, back up and restore iOS to rule out software issues. If that fails, hardware is likely, and you should visit Apple or an authorized repair provider for diagnostics. That's the key troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.